forgot where the end was. Here it is.
Hey.
Charity's kind of into this Christmas thing. Well,
Here she is, coming up to you, girl.
if you anything with lights and sparkle and glitter and decoration, she'd like anyways.
This is our tree, which you can kind of see the star. Can I put it at me to show Sue?
You can try. If you drop my camera, I'll just have to kill you.
I'll be able to. This is who is videoing, which likes the tree, which gets to put other ornaments. Yay! So this is a tree again. This camera would be easier to hold if it had a hand hold.
It does, babe. I think it'd be easier to hold if your hand was big enough to fit it. Where's the chipmunk? Where's the chipmunk? Where's the chipmunk?
There's little chipmunk.
Charity, no, no, no.
Charity,
No,
no.
you may not play with that.
No,
Fall
Charity.
on you. You won't like Christmas anymore then. Come here. Come here, monkey. So how's it look, Serena? What do you think?
Beautiful. Up to the top and down to the bottom.
Okay, I think Daddy's seen enough of the Christmas tree. I'm sure he'd rather see his girls. And see the old Christmas tree.
Look at your dada. You look at your dada. Beautiful dress.
Would you say beautiful dress?
Yes.
Is that only because you have the same one on?
Oh yeah, you haven't shown that we got the same dresses on. You can see. Which only mine has
Uh-oh.
both.
Running out of lights. I'm at the end. Oh no. Can I make it to the bottom? She's dead.
Yes. Made it to the bottom.
Kinda. You just spread them out.
Yeah, spread them out.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy. Bye, Daddy.